Contiv Network Bandwidth Policy Demo. Contiv Network is an open source tool for managing policy-based network containers. This video demonstrates how to create and apply a network bandwidth policy using Contiv Network. Prerequisites. Set up a demo or development environment as shown in the video Getting Started with Contiv Networking, which is available on the Contiv playlist on YouTube. This video demonstrates some actions, such as creating a network, using a proprietary GUI developed by Cisco Systems for Contiv. The same actions can be accomplished using the open source Contiv command line interface. For more information about the CLI, see the Contiv website at contiv.io. Create a network named prod-net using VXLAN encapsulation. Create another network named dev-net using VXLAN encapsulation. Then create a group named prod-group on prod-net. Then create a group named dev-group on dev-net. On Node 1 of the demo environment, use Docker to list the available networks. Note that the two new networks have been created using the net plugin driver. Still on Node 1, run a Redis DB in a container called prod-db on the prod-group network. Now on Node 2, run a web server in a container called prod-web on the prod-group network. On Node 1, log into the Redis container and display the interface configuration. Still in a Redis container on Node 1, start an iPerf server process. On Node 2, log into the web container and display the interface configuration. Still in a web container on Node 2, start an iPerf client process to connect to the DB container. Note the bandwidth of the connection. Run another Redis container called dev-db on Node 1. As before, log into the container and start an iPerf server. Run another web container called dev-web on Node 2. Log into the container and start an iPerf client. As the dev-web client starts, note the decreased bandwidth at the prod-web client. Stop the dev-web client and note that the bandwidth of the prod-web client recovers to its initial level. Create a bandwidth net profile called dev-profile, limiting bandwidth to 5 megabits per second. Assign the profile to the dev-group application group. Restart the dev-web client and note that the prod-web bandwidth is no longer choked off by the dev-web traffic. Finally, remove the bandwidth limiting net profile from the dev group and again restart the dev client. Note that the prod-web bandwidth falls as the dev-web traffic resumes with its bandwidth, again unthrottled.